Hello guys, welcome to another video from beautiful Los Angeles, LA. So I'm actually going to Little Persia. Los Angeles has got the most amount of Iranians outside of Iran, and this area is also called the Persian Square, and Los Angeles is also famously known as Tehrangeles because a lot of Iranians, after the revolution, when Ayatollah Khomeini took over Iran, they moved to the US. A lot of them fled Iran for reasons. There's several reasons. I don't want to get into political things over here, but they came here, they established themselves, successful doctors, real estate people, and they're in every walks of life. So this is Tehrangeles, guys, Little Persia, and we're going to explore a little bit, go and have some tea, coffee, and chill. So look at this carpet store. What beautiful carpets over here. This is all carpet stores, and I'm going to try to find a little restaurant or a cafe where we can sit, have a coffee, show you around a little bit, and let's see what's here to discover. So this is Westwood. This is the main thoroughfare, and UCLA is actually pretty close by too. There are various Iranian restaurants and Iranian businesses just across, on the both sides of this avenue, boulevard, Westwood Boulevard it's called. So there you go. Saffron Rose is a Persian ice cream place. They've got really all kinds of flavors over here. There's a falude, date, green pistachios, wow, taro and oob. This is fantastic. This looks so great. Hi. I'm going to get the combination of the date and the faluda. Yeah, I'll go for the which one is small? I'll go for the small one. Yes, yeah, absolutely. And actually, the medium is probably better. Yes. Can we do 3 by any chance? Okay, then I'll go for the date, the pistachio, and the faluda. Yeah. As you can see, there is all the ice creams over there. That comes in those cans, those little tubs, and they're all, the calligraphy and everything is in Persian. This place is so cool. And there you go, there is all the listing of the ice creams. So Saffron Rose is the name of the place. If you're in LA, please definitely visit over here. I will put a link below. So let's taste the ice cream. Yummy. Yummy as it is. The pistachio and then the date. Oh my god. This is heavenly. Now after ice cream, we're gonna go and have some tea at this beautiful restaurant over here. And I'm gonna go inside and show you how it looks. But this is in Persian. It basically says it's tea. So let's go and check this place out. Wow, very nice. Hi.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you. I'm just filming a little bit. So it's you have Persian tea and
Yes, and Persian pastry also, and specialty different kind, cinnamon or rose or cardamom.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
fantastic. Do you have like the kava tea and all that also?
Yeah, we have
The
coffee,
green,
espresso.
the green tea? No, I guess it's more
Green
Pakistani.
tea
Yeah,
is green and pineapple tea, right?
okay, fantastic. You have saffron? Saffron is the best. Yeah, thank you. And you know, they have dessert and everything over here. It's so
Yes.
it's an amazing place. Look at how beautiful this place is. And they're so friendly over here. They're talking about what they have. And there you go, there's desserts. And let's see what they have over here. Wow, they have got those little Persian cookies, pastries, some savories. And they have some more dessert over here. So I'm gonna go and sit outside and enjoy the tea and some nice dessert. So after ice cream, I think a little tea will be fantastic. And look at this Persian Gulf, 8,179 miles.
This is the saffron tea.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you so much. So this is the saffron tea. Let's try it out. Fantastic. They have the the saffron flavor to the tea. This is so Iranian, so Persian style. It's fantastic. I love the tea, and it's and especially after the sweet ice cream, this really goes very well. Fantastic. So along with the tea, got some cookies as well. This let's try it out and let's see how it is. A little sweet on the outside, kind of savory, not savory, I would say this is kind of filling also over here. I think it's like almond and all of that stuff inside the filling. Really, really nice. Fantastic. And I'm gonna wash it down with some tea. So just finished having the tea and cookie. And now heading off to another part of the town. And you can of course come with us and see more of LA. So they have this little markets over here where they have fresh produce, and inside they have some desserts, Persian spices, etc. Pretty nice, very fresh produce over here. And they have those, you know, those teapots, all kinds of cool stuff. And inside, as you can see, there's all kinds of Persian dessert, cookies, etc. Saffron, all of that stuff we can buy from here. And then here is a Persian bookstore. Wow, look at this. I'm not sure whether they will let me film inside because I'm getting a lot of that, so I'm not taking you inside. But as you can see, Persian culture is very, very ingrained in this area of town. So it's like you're in New York, where you know you have Koreatown, you have Chinatown, you have Little India, all of that stuff. We do not have a Little Persia, but that's what's very unique to LA. There is another cafe. So there are all of these little shops all over this area, and it's so beautiful over here. There is another market called the Jordan Market, and they have same thing, groceries, produce, spices. So there are multiple of these stores across this whole boulevard over here. It's not too, I mean, it's not too small, but it's not that huge either. So that was our little trip to Tehrangeles, or the Persian Square. Well, LA itself is called Tehrangeles, and this is Persian Square, Little Iran. So if you're liking my videos, you know what to do. Please hit on that bell icon so that you can see more of my videos that are coming out, and please put a comment below, because I would love to hear from you, and I would love to hear from you about what other places I should be able to cover. Hi guys, guess where I am? I'm in the posh area of town, posh area of LA. It's the Beverly Hills. Look at how beautiful the houses are. It's just very expensive houses, all manicured, you know, pavements, and look at this beautiful zillion-dollar houses over here. This is the most beautiful area of LA. It's so gorgeous. Look at this. Such picturesque. It's all tree-lined streets. It's amazing. And now it's so beautiful because it's almost evening, so you know the temperature has gone down. That's exactly what happens in LA, because LA is actually a desert. So in the evening it becomes a little bit chilly, and during the day it becomes pretty hot. But look at these houses. This is the American dream, guys. This is the American dream. So I just wanted to show you guys all these cool things over here. There's not really any restaurants or anything or bars to sort of go over here, but you know, just to walk around and see all these beautiful houses. And you know, because everybody talks about Beverly Hills, I get all the time on my comments, how does Beverly Hills look like? When you go to LA, make a video on Beverly Hills. So this is Beverly Hills, guys. The dream come true if you can buy a house over here and live over here. But it's not really like tech people or anything like that. It's a lot of movie stars, a lot of movie people, a lot of directors, a lot of lawyers as well. Though, you know, people talk about LA being a city. LA is a city, but I find LA a little bit more suburban. You know, not every area, like not Santa Monica, but Beverly Hills look like a very, very posh suburb, because there are no high rises or anything like that. It's just basically beautiful mansions, just beautiful mansions everywhere. So I hope you're enjoying the videos, and I'm going to keep on showing you more areas of LA. I know in my previous trip in March, I did not come to these areas. That's why I'm trying to take you guys to areas where I did not go and cover before. So these are all the new areas, and LA has got so much to show, like so many cool places, and it's so vast. So of course I don't think I will be able to even finish all of LA in this trip as well, but I'll keep on coming, and I'll keep on you know, showing you more and more areas, covering more and more things to do. But if you want me to go and cover anything specific in LA, please always put comments below. And you know, some people put comments too that they want to see Beverly Hills. That's why I came over here. So I appreciate your comments. It means a lot to me. So please keep them coming. Keep them coming. I love them. So guys, Beverly Hills, this is it. This is the dream come true for every American, every immigrant, everybody who comes to America. They want to see or even live and buy a place in Beverly Hills. Voila!